Whenever a scaffold requires a modification, you will need to create a modification request. In this example, we are going to request that an extra deck is added to a scaffold. From the map screen, select the scaffold pin and tap the status and select Modify. You have two available options. This opens the Request Details screen, allowing the requester to specify the changes that need to be made to the scaffold and creates this as a new request. This will need to be approved. This option allows you to create a scheduled modification without creating a new request. This allows you to skip the request process. In this example, we are going to select to create a new request to modify a scaffold. This will launch the Request Details screen, where you can add the details for the modification request. You can add that the scaffold requires an extra deck in the description text box, and make any other required changes, such as the need date, and then make changes to the scaffold's dimensions to take into account the newly added deck. You then tap the tick icon to save these changes, and the request must be approved. You can then change the map view to Requests and locate the modification request created. It will be in the same place as the scaffold. We can see it's the correct request from the description. We will then approve the request. Tap on the status and select Approve. With the request approved, we can start the modification. Return to the scaffold view. Select the scaffold pin and select Standing. Tap Modify. You will see your modification activity under the now available third option. Select this option and tap the tick icon. In the activity screen, add any information if required. Tap the tick icon, and the scaffold will change status to Modification in Progress. When the modification is complete, select Modification in Progress and tap Complete Modification. Add any information to the activity, and tap the tick icon. The modification will be complete, and the scaffold will be standing or awaiting handover or inspection.